After waiting around for a long time and trying out all these other headphones, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where I have today, with pleasure, presenting you guys with the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000 XM4, which is arguably the absolute best sounding and noise cancellation headphones out there. On top of that, it is one of the most comfortable headphones at a very affordable price. Now, before we get things started, let's look at this little box. So the box is not anything marvelous. It's just basically a really simple kind of box. Opening it up, it's got this little gold sticker there as well. Okay, let's get this out. Now that was super simple and easy. No getting stuck and things like that. Very easy to slide out. It's got a very nice feel to it, the box as well. It's got some sort of pattern on it that you can feel upon touching, but you can't really see it. You might be able to, like, after touching it, you can feel that, like, it's got a bit of that kind of feel to it. Now, first things first, it's got the little setup guide here for you. Let's get this out of the way and look what's inside the box. So you've got some sort of music trial that you get, and also the noise cancellation headphone setup, some of the booklets. Not going to go through all that. Going to cut straight through to this guy. Alrighty, now cloth, okay, hard box, very nice. Little pouch at the back as well for everything to go into. Okay, look at that. How beautiful is that? I would have liked to see a bit of a thicker zip. Doesn't feel too premium. The Bose ones do, the Apple one does. This is, the metal is a bit feeling a bit cheap, and not like, it doesn't have that heavy weight added to it. So, however, this is beautiful. Look at how that just sits there. Right, so let's unbox this thing. Alright, so first things first, very soft inside, very soft to touch. These remind me a little bit of the Bose QC35, how it's folded in here. Let's put these on the side for now. Alright, so what it comes with is a 3.5 to 3.5 audio cable, which is really good to see. A lot of headphone companies are just taking them out and not leaving them there. You've got the flight adapter to be able to be used in flight, and I love how they've used this little separator to exactly show you how to put these headphones in. I can take this out later on if I don't want it around, but it's just to show where the left and right goes. And it's also got a USB-C charging cable. Okay, so a lot of the headphones are doing USB-C nowadays. It's nice and short, not too long. I like that about it. And yeah, everything is very soft and very soft to touch. Let's try and get this out of the way without wrecking it. So that's basically it. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, let's look at these bad boys. There's nothing that's saying this is cheaply built. Everything is saying, even the plastic, how it feels in your hand. It reminds me a little bit of the Apple Watch silicone bands, how it's got that silicone-y feel to it. So these are the mic cutouts for noise cancellation. You've got the USB-C port there, a LED light, 3.5 jack, power button. You can customize this button probably, and it doesn't go that way. And also it's got sensors in there as well, if you can see that. That's got a sensor in there, and also the headphones inside sit a little bit on an angle to your ear, which is really good to see. Other than that, They're just, I think they're just the right tension as well, sliding out, so they don't slide out by themselves. It's very nice. It's got metal bit there, and this is all leathery, okay, leather feel. And yeah, the cups are very, very comfortable. You'll be able to get yonks out of them. All right, so that's basically it for the unboxing, guys. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and also you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Patreon. Thanks for watching till then. You have yourself a good day. Bye-bye.